ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। Namaskar my dear friends, this is video number 5 on Holy Book of Adi Shankaracharya. This is video number 5. It starts with stanza number 49. ब्रह्मणे सर्वभूतानि जायन्ते परमात्मनः तस्मातेतानि ब्रह्मैव भवन्ति व्यधार्येत। Yet as Brahmana from Brahma, Paramatmana from the Supreme Atma, Sarvabhutani, all beings, Jayante are born, Tasmat, therefore, Etani, they Brahma, Brahma, Amam verily Bhavanti are iti, this Avdharyet, clearly understand. Inasmuch as all beings are born of Brahma, the Supreme Atma, they must be understood to be verily Brahma. All beings are born of Brahma. The reference here is to such Shruti passages as that is Brahma, where from all these beings are born, etc. Taittiriya Upanishad. Chapter 3, stanza number 1. Stanza number 50. Brahmayav sarvanamani rupani vividhani che karmanyappi samagrani vibhartiti shrutirjaggo. Brahma है ब्रह्मा एवं एव verily sarvanamani all named vividhani various rupani forms cha and samgrani all karmani actions api also vibharti sustains iti this shruti the shruti jagau has sung clearly declared. The Shruti has clearly declared that Brahma alone is the substratum of all varieties of names, forms, and actions. Brahma alone is the substratum, just as a rope is the substratum of the illusion of a snake and the like. So Brahma is the substratum of all names, forms, and actions. Though these are all but illusory, for even an illusion requires a substratum for its appearance. Stanza number 51. Suvarna jay manasya suvarnatvam sasvatam brahmano jay manasya brahmatavam cha yatha bhavet. Yatha as suvarnat from gold, jay manasya of a thing produced, suvarnatvam the nature of gold, cha expletive sasvatam permanent, tatha cha so also brahmano from Brahma Jayamanasya of a being born. Brahmtvam, the nature of Brahma, Bhavet is just as a thing made of gold ever has the nature of gold, so also a being born of Brahma has always the nature of Brahma. Stanza 52. Svalpam पिंत्रम कृत्वा जीवातं परमात्मनः यः संतिष्ठति मूढ़ात्मा भयं तस्याभिभाषितम्. यह who मूढ़ात्मा the ignorant one, Jeev Atam Paramatmano between the Jivatma and the Paramatman, Savalpam a little api even Anantram distinction Kritva making Santishtati rest tasya his behavior Shruta by the Shruti Abhibhasitam is spoken of. Fear is attributed to the ignorant one who rests after making even the slightest distinction between the Jivatma and the Paramatman. Fear has its root in duality and imperfection and can be overcome by him alone who realizes non-duality and thus attains to perfection. For such a person, there is none to be afraid of and nothing to be gained or lost. Who rests, etc. The Shruti text runs as follows. When he, the ignorant one, makes the slightest difference in it, Brahma, there is fear for him. Taittiriya Upanishad, chapter 2, stanza 7. Stanza number 53. यत्र ज्ञानाद्भवेद् तस्मिन्नत्र पश्यति आत्मवेन यदा सर्वं नेत्रस्तत्रतश्चाण्वपि यत्र when अज्ञानात् through ignorance द्वैतम duality bhavet appears tatra then itra one itram another pashyati sees yada when sarva all atam when as atma bhavet is tatra then itra one cha expletive anvapi even a bit not Pashvati sees. When duality appears through ignorance, one sees another, but when everything becomes identified with Atma, one does not perceive another even in the least. When duality, etc. This stanza gives the substance of the following passage from the Shruti. For when there is duality, as it were, one sees another, smells another, etc. But when everything has become one's own self, how can one see another, smell another, etc.? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, chapter 4.5.15. Stanza 54. Yasmin sarvani bhutani hayatam ven vijanatah ne vai tasya bhaven moho ne cha shoko vivipyatah. Yasmin when sarvani all bhutani beings he expletive atam twain as atma vijanatah of one who realizes tasya tasmin then ne not वही expletive मोह है delusion ne not chas also शोकः sorrow bhavet arises advityatah in consequence of the absence of duality. In that state, when one realizes all as identified with the Atma, there arises neither delusion nor sorrow in consequence of all absence of duality. In that state, etc. It refers to the following Shruti text when a person realizes all beings to be his very self, where is there any delusion or sorrow for such a sphere of unity? Isopanishad, chapter 7. Stanza 55. Ayatma hi brahmaev sarv atmakatya sithata iti nidbharitam shruta brihadan sansatya. I am this Sarvatmakatya, as the self of all, Sithata, existing, Atma, Atma, he, expletive, Brahma, Brahma, evam verily, iti, this Shrutaya, by the Shruti, Brihadarnam Sansatya, in the form of the Brihadarnika, Nirdharitam, declared. The Shruti in the form of the Brihadarnika has declared that this Atma, which is the self of all, is verily Brahma. The Shruti, etc. The text is this Atma is Brahma, etc. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, chapter 2.5.19. Anubhutopayam Anubhutopayam Loko Vyavahar Aksomapi Sanah ऐस द्रुपो यथा स्वपन उत्तरक्षणा बाधत है अयम दिस लोकः वर्ल्ड अनुभूतः एक्सपीरियंस्ड अपि दो व्यवहार अक्षम फिट फॉर ऑल प्रैक्टिकल पर्पसेस अपि दो सन बीइंग यथा एज स्वप्नः ड्रीम वर्ल्ड तथा सो उत्तरक्षणावादत इन consequence of being contradicted in the next moment as Sadrupa of the nature of non-existence. This world, though an object of our daily experience and serving all practical purposes, is like the dream world of the nature of non-existence inasmuch as it is contradicted the next moment. This world, etc. We cannot call a thing Sat, ever existent merely because it is experienced and has some pragmatic value. In dreams, we experience things which are valid so long as the dream lasts, but as soon as we awake, they disappear as though they never existed. So also the experiences of our waking state, which are so full of meaning to us, are negated as soon as we enter into dream or deep sleep. This world of waking experience, therefore, is also in the same category of existence as the dream world. स्टेंजा 57 स्वप्नो जागरणे लीकः स्वप्ने अपि जागरो न हि द्वमेव लये नास्ति लयो अपि ह्युं च जागरणे इन वेकिंग स्वप्न है ड्रीम आलोक है अनरियल स्वप्न इन ड्रीम अपि ऑल्सो जाग्रह वेकिंग नोट he surely asti is the way both that is waking and dream evam verily lie in deep sleep nasti do not exist lie deep sleep api also he verily ubhyo in both ne not che also asti is. The dream experience is unreal in waking, whereas the waking experience is absent in dream. Both, however, are non-existent in the deep sleep, which again is not experienced in either the dream, etc. Here the author illustrates the preceding sloka by showing the unreality of the three states avasthatraya on account of their mutual contradiction. Stanza 58. Trayamevam bhaveni mithya gunatraya vinirmitam अस्य दृष्टा गुणातीतो नित्यो हवेकाश्चिदात्मकः गुणत्रयाविनिर्मितम created by the three gunas त्रयम the three states एवं दस मिथ्या unreal bhavet or अस्य there that is of the three states drashta witness gunatit beyond all gunas nityam external he expletive ekah one Chidatmaka of the nature of consciousness asti is. Thus all the three states are unreal inasmuch as they are the creation of the three gunas, but their witness, the reality behind them is beyond all gunas, eternal one. That is consciousness itself. The three states are unreal, etc. This world of our daily experience, comprising these three states, is produced by the permutation and combination of the three gunas, components of Prakriti or the primeval substance, viz. Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. But whatever is a compound must disintegrate and be destroyed. This world being a compound is thus foredoomed to destruction and so it is unreal as reality implies indestructibility. Here what has been put forward as a mere proposition in Sloka 56 is conclusively proved, viz. that this world though experienced, is unreal. Their witness when everything in this world is in a state of flux and is changing every moment. What is that sees these changes? The Vedanta declare that it is Atma, the conscious principle that witnesses all the changes itself, ever remaining unchanged and unaffected by the gunas that work these changes. Yadvan stanza number 59. Yadvan Mirdi Ghat Bhrantim Shukto Va Rajat Sthititam Tadu Brahmani Jeevatavam Vikshunmane Pashyati. Yadvat, just as Mirdi in earth, Ghat Bhrantim, the illusion of a jar, Va or Shukto in the nacre Rajat Sthititam, the presence of silver. Ek one ne note Passuti sees Tadvatam in the same way. Weeks and morning when realized Brahmani in Burma, Jivatavam Jivahood, Ne Pashanti does not see. Just as after the illusion has gone, one is no more deluded to see a jar in earth or silver in the nacre, so does one no more sees Jiva in Burma when the latter is realized as one's own self. So does one no more sees, etc. So long as a person is in ignorance, he thinks himself as a jiva, which has an individuality of its own apart from Dharma. But when with the dawn of real knowledge he realizes himself as one with Dharma, this jivahood appears to him as nothing but an illusion like the illusion of silver in the nacre. Stanza 60. यथा मृदि घटो नाम कनके कुंडलाभिदा सुक्तव ही रजत ख्याति जीवर सब सत्व्यापरे. Yatha, just as Mirdi in earth, Ghata, Izar, Nam, the name, Kanke in gold, Kundala, Bhida, the name, earring, Suktav, in a necre, he expletive, Rajat Khyati, the name silver, Asti, is, Yatha Supre, in the supreme Brahma, Jiva Shabda hai, the world Jiva. Just as earth is described as a jar, gold as an earth ring, and a nacre as silver, so is Brahma described as Jiva. Stanza number 61. Yathav Vyomini Niltvam Yatha Niram Rustle Pristvam Yatha Sthano Tadvisvam Tadatmani. Yatha, just as Vyomini in the sky, Niltvam blueness, Yatha as Marustle in the desert, Niram water, Yatha as Sthano in a post Pristvam, human figure, Tadvat, so Chidatmani in the Atma, which is consciousness, Visvam, the universe, Asti, is. Just as blueness in the sky, water in the mirage, and a human figure in the post are but illusory, so is the universe in Atma. So is the universe in Atman. Not only Jiva, but the whole universe is an illusion in Atma. This is illustrated in various ways in Sloka 61 to 64. यथा शून्ये वेतालो गन्धर्वाणां पुरं यथा यथाकाशे दिवचन्द्रत्वं तद्वत् सत्ये जगत् स्थिति. Yatha, just as Shunya in empty space, Vetala a ghost, Yatha as Gandharvanam Puram a castle in the air, Yatha as Akasi in the sky, Divchandratvam the vision of two moons, Santi are Tadvat in same way, Satya in the supreme truth, that is in Brahma Jagat Sithati, the existence of the universe. Just as the appearance of a ghost in an empty place, of a castle in the air, and of a second moon in the sky is illusory, So is the appearance of the universe in Brahma. Stanza number 63. Yatha trankallo jalvem safurtayalam patra rupen tamram hi brahmand ghesta yatmata. Yatha, just as Trangakalol, as ripples and waves, Jalam, water, Eve Adon Patar Rupen in the form of a vessel, Tamram copper, he verily Alam surely Safurati appears, Tatha so Brahman Dog hai, as the whole universe Atamta Atam Hood Sfurti appears. Just as it is water that appears as ripples and waves, or again it is copper that appears in the form of a vessel, so it is Atma that appears as the whole universe. So, dear friends, I end this video here. Next video number 6 will start with the stanza 64. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.